Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today in this video I'm going to discuss how to select a basement renovation contractor. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify that this video I am making totally based on my knowledge and research. And if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, nowadays, even small uh, renovation projects or remodeling projects cost a lot. So when you are finishing your basement, depending upon the state and permits your basement already have, this cost could be huge, or I mean, it varies case by case. So in any case, it has become very important that you select a proper contractor. So how you're gonna do it? So this is what I'm gonna discuss in this video. So guys, first of all, just don't, you have to do something from your end. I know a lot of people try to save taxes, and what they do, they want to deal in cash. Don't do this. It's not just about legal or illegal. When you deal someone with cash and not paying taxes, you are doing illegal stuff that time itself, right? And for many such people, it is often seen that contractors vanish. Sometimes they do half work, sometimes they do shoddy work, and sometimes they just vanish. So that you should avoid, like from your end. If you're dealing with someone, then second thing is uh, check the organization information. Anybody can print a flyer, anybody can create a website, but check their business if it is registered or not on official Canadian government sites, and check the address and contact details too. See if they match or not, so that you don't go for anything that's a scam. Okay. Next that you should look for is that contract. Take a clear look at your contract, and I would recommend any question that you have, any concern you have, that needs to be discussed officially. When I say officially, I mean to say on the official email. Okay, like in my case, with my contractors, like I also had lot of doubts, and I also wanted to protect myself in many cases. So what I had done, I had got written confirmation over there. Let me tell you a very common thing that comes in your mind that related to the cost. Like if you stick to the contract, like you don't change anything during the construction, whether the cost will fluctuate. This question you may definitely have. I too have this question, and I had confirmed it with my contractor. And since then, there is nothing that is going wrong. So this is something you can also confirm with your contractor. Okay, guys. So definitely you should give it a try, and then make sure what is included in your contract. Like, let's say you're making the basement. Okay, so read the contract thoroughly, whether it includes any materials, any appliances, any permit cost, everything that you take a look at. And also, that's very important that you get it confirmed over writing. Just don't go by oral conversations, that all the workers or who are gonna work are gonna be licensed and insured or not. That's very important. Insurance is too much important because when people are working in basement and they have like huge projects, there is every chance that there could be injuries, there could be accidents. Everyone wants to avoid them, but still those things happen, and we all know that. So we should always be prepared for it. So this question is very important. You get confirmation on email. Then take a look at the payment plan. that uh, like like it should be as per the stages. You should avoid paying too much initially because that's not definitely not good. That is definitely not good. So you should avoid doing that. And the basement company you're dealing with, check their reviews also. So now checking reviews is a complicated process because you just cannot rely on Google Map feedbacks, right? Because anybody can write over there, and some not all businesses, but lot of businesses have fake reviews too. They can tell you, hey, you're like if I'm your friend and you own a business, you can tell me, hey, put a review for me, make it positive, 5 star, anything, right? I mean, there could be paid reviews as well. At the same time, there could be fake reviews from the competitors too. So what is more important is to see their real work. Okay, like a company who's ready to take your basement project should share their work with you that they have already done. So when I say share their work with you, doesn't mean that you just see the pictures. That hey, I have done these projects. You see how beautiful it looks. Fine, but go and check that work yourself. Discuss with the people, those who live at the address. Make sure it's not a scam kind of thing. Instead, it is real thing, so that you don't get shocked at a later stage. This is very important. And then also uh, payment mode, as I said, it should be like e-transfer or checks or something that can be tracked. Don't go by payment methods like cash because there is no tracking of cash, right? And like uh, if you go with a registered company in the legal way, definitely they will charge you HST. Don't avoid paying HST by going to the cash mode. Then there is no protection you have. So make sure you understand that and follow. Okay. Then never go after one company. Never just go after one company. Get multiple quotes. Like for quoting a project, I have not seen any company charging any fee. They can give you a detailed quote. For my project, I called various companies. Some of them refused straight away, stating they were too busy. That's absolutely okay, but try to get quotes from the multiple companies because that will really help you. If something is important, that has to be, but try to get like that so that you have something to compare. And again, like as I said, compare these things and then take a call. Uh, Another advantage it provides you that maybe a particular step is missed by one contractor while giving you a quote, but is caught by other contractor. For example, it happened in my case, like one of the contractors, he came, he provided me the quote, but he did not include electrical panel upgrade. Next contractor who came, he told that this has to be there, so he included. With this information, I contacted the first contractor and he said, yeah, it was a mistake. So they're going to include that also. So that is also very important. Ideally, these things with an experienced company, these things should not happen because if somebody is coming to your place and taking a look at your place and identifying what needs to be done, they should be able to catch things like this. There's no point for a company for like not having this kind of situations. Then like have proper permits in place. Like those who work on the legal basis, they will definitely advise you that what permits you need. In my case, like what I had done, some of you may go this route, some of you may not like this route. Like construction companies, contractors, they have their own architects too. It's up to you if you want to take their services because they will do the diagrams and get it passed through the city as well. But in my case, I had done it independently. And to be honest with you guys, I regret. I won't take the name of the my architect. I won't take the name of my architect, but I'm not satisfied with her services. So selecting an architect is also important, and you can even go with the architect of your construction company too. And because that will be very important because based on the diagrams, they are gonna do the construction. It will have all the details. Okay. And in the permit that you get, it will specify uh, the mandatory inspections, stages of inspection. Those are also very important. Next, I would say is that once work begins, maintain good relationship with the workers. If they need anything, like if they want to access your washroom, if they want water, you should always provide. This is my personal suggestion. And sometimes you may want to give them something more like tea, coffee. That also gives you kind of good relationship with the workers so that you guys can trust each other and take it up from there. So that is how it works, guys. And I hope you like what I have said. Let me know what you think about it. And thanks for watching this video. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, this is the right time. Hit the subscribe button right there. Thank you.